Check out this apocalyptic abandoned place I found, guys. This is awesome. Wow. I could go to the most beautiful places, but it's when I find these places that get me the most pumped. Wow, look at this place, guys. Wonder what they did here. There's some sort of possibly old grain factory. I'm not sure, but it's definitely very cool. There's kinda up on the second floor. I don't know how to get up there though. Wow, look at this place, guys. Very spooky and very cool. Just how I like it. It's kind of interesting, right? Places that I find on the road, I just have a knack for it. I saw this off the highway, actually. Wow, there's a whole nother building over there. This was another building on the back side of the other building that I just showed you. Very cool brick wall. This was some sort of furnace, big furnace room. Wow, awesome. So there's that huge building that we were inside of. Let's go check out those buildings down there, see what those are about. Awesome. Wow, this is like an old either parts room or repair room. Very cool. Couple of old porcelain light covers. Wow, look at this, guys. How awesome is that? Get a little train action. Wow, check out the panels of that building. That's pretty cool. Look at those panels, man. I've never seen anything like that. That's very cool for an industrial building. Very cool. That's some sort of old CNC lathe. Wow, check this out, guys. This is way cool. This place is kind of big. Guys, you know what's badass? This is all wood construction. This isn't steel. This is all wood. Look at that. Wow, look at that, guys. Piston and connecting rod right there. Look at how big this place is, guys. This place is huge and very cool. Look at that machine. Wonder what that was for. whatever this place was, they had a pretty good view from the back door. You think? Not bad, right? Awesomeness. If I had a couple of people with me, the little movie I could make in a place like this. This place goes on and on and on. Wow. Look at that beastly looking machine. My guess, guys, is some sort of old wood milling operation. That's the building, guys, that we were just in. It goes down and down and down. Wow. Wow. Look at this scary place. Hello? Guys, look at this place. Guys, there's one of the owls. See it? Center screen. That's it. This is white little chest. I'm not going to get any closer. I want to disturb him.